Sunday evening in the workshop. A new week is about to start, but first I need to reset this place. Lights on, it's Sunday, the perfect time to clean, organize and prepare. Because order is the foundation for every project. Without it, nothing works the way it should. During the week, I don't always have time to clean, but Sunday is my workshop reset. Clean floor, clean benches, clear mind. And I have to say, I'm getting pretty good at sweeping. Dust is always everywhere. This hose is my best friend when it comes to keeping the CNC alive. If the machines aren't clean, they won't cut precisely, and precision is everything. And here is the real problem. The suction cups are destroyed. The plan is to fill them with epoxy and then remill the surface. It won't be finished today, but I will make a full episode about this restoration. This coffee table is in progress. It's going to be veneered with walnut, clean, modern, timeless. I can already see it in a living room once it's finished. This bath for the sauna is almost done. What's missing? Just the hoop around the outside and the valve to drain the water. Small details, but they make the project complete. Here are the boards prepared for the sauna. Soon they will transform into something like this. A modern two-person sauna. That's the vision. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring. This is where I mix it with my pull-up challenge. A few reps to stay strong and back to the broom. Balance, right? That's my Sunday reset. Some projects waiting, epoxy curing and a clean workshop ready for Monday. Order is always the foundation, in woodworking and in life. See you in the next build.